Hello and welcome to the Old Man's Toy Box. I do a lot of videos about Lego, and my most viewed videos are about new Lego, and maybe new Lego versus new not Lego, kind of Lego knockoff brands. So what video do you think I'm going to do? Well, you've seen the card in the start, so it's not going to be about that. It's going to be about old Lego, vintage Lego that nobody want to watch. So am I some kind of a rebel that does exactly the opposite of what people want? Or am I just a poor person that doesn't have the money to buy the kind of Lego he wants to show? Well, let you decide. But I have collected 4 sets of vintage Lego, and again it's sets that and I'm not sure that these parts were used in those sets, but it's vintage Lego. All the parts is vintage Lego, and or most of them anyway. So I have 2 cars or trucks and 2 small houses. So I'm gonna do a house and a truck, and then I'm gonna do another video with the other truck and the other house. So one truck is kind of easy, the other is a bit harder. One house pretty hard, I guess, and this one bit easier. So this house with this truck and this house with this truck. So I think I'm going to start with these 2 sets, and I'm going to start with the truck, which is a fire truck. It's set number 640-1, and it's from 1971. So let's take all the pieces out and hope they're all there. I think all the pieces for this truck is here. So so we're going to start with this, a Lego logo, and this and this. And when I say I use vintage Lego pieces, I mean a piece like this. It's a bit hard to tell whether it's from the 70s or the 80s or the 90s. There are signs that tells you this is at least maybe from the 70s, because it has this notch here. So So that's the trailer. It's a very basic little trailer. And I need to find the, what the, oh, I think I, yeah, one of these was one with the headlights and a grill, and I used it here, so I have to take this off again. Oh, and I have to take this off. That was hard to get on. So here it is. It goes under here. So, and this, a window. So we have the front wheel, normally like this, with only one tire, and the back ones is with double tires. And the trailer also single tire. So then we hook this up to the back. And then we need to put on the ladder. So it's a kind of a nice little fire truck with a ladder. So yeah, let's put that to one side, and then we have the next little set here, and it's from 1969. It's called the Bungalow, but it's set number 3441, and again it's from 1961. So and this is not a complete set. I don't have all the parts, and I have most of them, so we can kind of complete it, I hope. And also, this is not the right kind of plate for this build. The one that comes with this set is bigger, and it has it had to have white paint here. So, but let's see how much of it we can build. So we need to start with one of these. Let's put it back here. actually, when I was looking at my bricks, and don't know how well you can see it, but these ones, the yellow ones, they are pretty. I said yellow, I meant white, but they're yellowed. So I think I want to try and retro bright. I have retro brighted some cases for old computers. I guess this is, ooh, we've forgotten something. There's some holes here that are definitely not supposed to be there. So let's see if we can solve that problem. Maybe we can lift most of this off, and then needs to go there. Or does it need to go? No. And same here. And was it there? That's much better. So now we have the, which I guess this is the front of the house. No, yes, front of the house. So let's see. Put this up here, and then we need this, and this, and more chimney. guess this is like this. So again, I'm out of the rest and the bricks. And then the chimney. Is that high enough? And there's something not right because we need it's hard to get off this. Because you need to put this brick here, because there's need to be an antenna on the top, which I don't have. So this much better. So yeah, so that's the front of the house, and this is the back of the house, and we need to put down some tiles in here so you can sit outside your house and watch your backyard. So that's the bungalow. So I have almost all the things except the aerial, the antenna, the TV antenna, and a couple of trees. Also need a couple of trees. And then of course this plate needs to be a bit bigger, but that was a little bungalow, and if they have a fire, then the fire truck can come and put it out, put the ladder up. So maybe they have a fire in the chimney. So that was that.